How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. And here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile section, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy of Instagram. Once in there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Creator Tools option available in Settings and Privacy. Then tap on the Add Payment at the top. Once you tap on it, you will get to see Billing and Payment option available in there. Simply tap on it. I do not have any payment method available in my Instagram, so you won't get to see any cards or other options available. But if you tap on the Payment Activity option available in there, you will get to see these options available. Since this is your spending limit in Instagram, you can tap on it and add or remove the payment method as well, or simply change the payment limit to your preferences. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.